Hey Savages, Luigi here. Today we're going to talk about how to not sound scripted while doing a high ticket sales. My name is Luigi. I've been documenting my journey as a high ticket sales professional, and today we're going to explore why not sound scripted. So let's get started with explaining, first of all, how important it is to have a script, right? Some people just go about and wing it, and of course it's not very productive to just improvise during a sales call. So having a script is really most it's just about having a structure mode. It doesn't mean you have to read it. A lot of people, and I've done it in the past, you have a script and you're just reading it off to a prospect, and of course you're going to sound robotic and scripted. The best analogy here is that actors, okay? And I learned now that I'm doing this, I learned the difficulty of being an actor. Now I really understand. These guys are amazing, really, to be honest, because this is 100% scripted, right? Every line that they're saying, except some minor improvisation that I usually go about if it makes sense. But these guys get a hand script, a manuscript, I don't know, it's like pages and pages long, and they memorize each line of it, right? But you will never tell that in the audience. And that's the real magic of being a good actor, right? So this is the same. You have a script, right there, but the sooner you get out of reading it, the better you're gonna do as a salesperson. Okay, so I made that mistake in one of the offers when I was very new in the industry. They gave me an offer, and I know, I can be natural when I'm talking to someone, but when I tried hard to stick to the script, first thing a guy told me is like, where's Luigi, the guy I know, who has this personality, this and that, and it's not, because I can tell you're reading off, from script. So the prospect also will tell that. They're probably not going to tell you, but it doesn't feel natural, right? So you can't connect to a person if you're just diving into the script and reading off it. So best recommendation, guys, is okay, learn the script. Do not memorize all the lines. Have it, on the side there as support, as of course as backup, but just go through phases, know what questions to ask. Ask only productive questions, but be yourself and be natural, man. Nothing sells better than just being natural. All right, I hope this helps. Talk soon.